Tirin tinrala pipin samal testileshu. Tinne tananju chado yorda. We are about to finish. About to finish. Sakno adio. Ra aja हामी post suffix जो सिक्ने वाला छु. Post suffix, we are going to learn about post suffix and its function. So the first comes prefix, which remains silent. The root letter, which is to be pronounced, and where we add vowels and superscript and subscript. And suffix, the letter which follows the root letter. And the post suffix is a letter which comes after suffix. So, in between two dots, duita dot ko bichma, at the most, you will see 4 letters in a row. दुईटा डट को बीचमा ज्यादा से ज्यादा 4 वटा अक्षर देखाइदिन्छ ज्यादा से ज्यादा त तिले चेकनी के फरला यिगे सी चिकनी सुमसी मांगशो क्रास चिकसी सिगरे ta dinde yube kabla ta desida have a look chikni sumshi this is the maximum we will have in between two dots. So we know that there are 5 prefixes: ga, da, ba, ma, ha. Ngonchunga ga, da, ba, ma, ha. Ta di dunla ga, da, ba, ma, ha yuna di datan tyonggugu mar. This is silent re. If you see one of the 5 prefixes ga, da, ba, ma, ha in front of 4 letters in between 2 dots, we know that the first one is silent. And then the root letter, which must be pronounced. The root letter भन्दाखेरि जहाँनिर तपाईको vowel जोडिन्छ, जहाँनिर superscribe जोडिन्छ, त्यो अक्षरलाई root letter भन्ने गर्छ र त्यसको पछाडि आउने there are 10 suffixes. What are they? Chejukchu, che, juk, chu. Khare khare re ga, nga, da, na, ba, ma, ha, ra, la, sa. So it will be good to memorize those 10 letters which are suffixes and the 5 letters which are prefixes. And I see I missed one F here. Anyway, post suffix. So actually, when you look at it, it looks really complicated. But when you see 4 letters in between 2 dots, this is, I can say, the easiest to pronounce or to read. अब यहाँ यसरी हेर्दाखेरि अब एकदमै साह्रो छ जस्तो लाग्ने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 यसरी जोडेको छ सबै र यसरी हेर्दाखेरि अब त सक्दैन होला जस्तो लाग्छ तर दुईटा डटको बीचमा 4 वटा अक्षर लस्करै छ भने एकदमै सजिलो तंगा जो दे segni ki parla 이게 찍니 숨쉬 요나 땅은 줄로 투기 말에 삼기르바 다 뺄래라 버다 데카레스나 prefixes ga da ba ma ha. I'm missing one of the F here. And then root letter. Root letter can be any letter on which superscript is added or to which vowels are added. And the letter coming after the root letter is suffix. There are 10 suffixes: ga, nga, da, na, ba, ma, ha, ra, la, sa. Now post suffix. There are only, this is what we are going to do. A post suffix आज हामी सिक्नेवाला छु र पोस्ट सफिक्स माने चाहिँ सफिक्सको पछाडि आउँछ यो पनि उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन सो के बुझ्नुमा आयो दुईटा डटको बीचमा चारवटा अक्षर छ भने अगाडिको प्रिफिक्स हो यसलाई उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन लास्टको पोस्ट सफिक्स हो यसलाई पनि उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन तादिनस 책닉이 팔라 이게 시여나 당보지 문죽이 안 다당 중국어요 말 you don't have to pronounce it the post suffix diang silent di 다당 중국어요 말에 최장 답벨려로 찾아오래 디기 다당 중국 말에 디기 다당 중국 말에 디당 디기 다당 중국어요래 the post suffix there are only 2 post suffixes. There are only 2 TWO2 post suffixes. What are they? Da and sa. Da and sa. And here you see these days we don't write them. We don't write the post suffix da, but the rule is applied. For example, when we say our, H-O-U-R, our, you see the existence of H, but in practice it is considered as invisible. You say an hour, as if H is not there, right? Honor, H is there, but then when you pronounce it, it is there, but it is like invisible. You don't, when you make a sentence or we think that it doesn't exist, so we say an honorable, an hour. It is there, but it is considered as non-existent. But here, it is not there, but the rule is applied as if the is still existing. So we don't write, but it is invisible. It is very much there when we use grammatical rules, it is very much there, but we don't write it. Contrary to it, English, it is there, but it is considered as it is invisible or non-existent. In Tibetan, that is not there. We don't write it these days, but it is very much present. It exists. I think you got what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so here there should be one dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in between 2 dots. We know the first one is prefix. We don't have to pronounce it. Sa is also is post suffix. This is what we are learning today. And post suffix will remain silent. And this letter in the front and the sa at the end in between 2 dots. In such case, the first one and the last one remains silent. So it's very easy. Mao, nga, ga, sa, ngak. 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 In Tibetan, there are lots of words which sound similar, but which are quite different in meaning. So for further study of Tibetan, spelling is very, very, very important. It plays very important role when you learn, when you study Tibetan. So here, Mao, Nga, Ga, Sa, Ngak is a verb to order. I ordered a cup of coffee. Mao, Nga, Ga, Sa, Ngak is to order. नेपालीमा माओ nga ga sa ngak माने मगाउनु. मैले एउटा चिया मगाए, मगाउनु. Mao nga ga sa ngak. And then here we have in between 2 dots there are 4 letters, and we know if there are 4 letters between 2 dots, the first one and the last one remains silent. So bao nga ga, bao sa ngata nga ga sa. Now think these two doesn't exist. Bao sa ngata nga ga sa ngak. Bao sa ngata nga ga sa ngak. Bao sa ngata nga ga sa ngak is to praise, opposite of to defame someone, to praise, to say good things about someone or something. Ngak. नेपालीमा प्रशंसा गर्नु. यो चाहिँ उच्चारण एउटै हो, यो पनि ngak, यो पनि ngak. तर यो चाहिँ प्रशंसा गर्नु, यो चाहिँ मगाउनु. bao sa ngata nga ga sa ngak, to praise about someone's good quality or about someone. So pronounce exactly the same. Ngak, ngak. Therefore, it is important to learn or memorize this spelling. Mao nga ga sa ngak, to order. Pao sa ngata nga ga sa ngak, to praise, to say good things about someone. Ngak. Okay, then we move to the third one. Dao, ga, dingbo, ge. And again, attention. If you see ba in between 2 dots, यदि बा अक्षर दुईटा डटको बीचमा देखा पर्यो भने यसलाई चाहिँ वा भन्ने, जहिले पनि वा. दुईटा डटको बीचमा बा देखा पर्यो भने यसलाई वा भनेर पढ्ने. So every time you see ba in between 2 dots, read it as wa. Never as ba. So dao, ga, dingbo, ge. Between 2 dots we see the letter ba, so we read it as wa. Gewa. Gewa is merit. merit, opposite of sin, merit. Ani Nepalima punya. Papko opposite, punya. Ani, now this is what we are learning. In between two dots, there are 4 letters, and when we see their 4 letters, we know that the first letter and the last letter are silent. So bao, sa, ga, sa, sak. Bao, sa, ga, sa, sak. So all together, gewa, sak. Punya, kamaunu. Earn, merit. Earn, merit. merit. Earn, merit. Earn. So this is earn, and this verb with sa indicates that it is past tense. So earned merit. Past tense, भूतकाल भयो. यो पछाडि सा छ भने चाहिँ भूतकाल. अनि त्यहाँ फेकेल हैन दुई दिए भएर past tense रे bao sa ga sa sak earned merit. Sa da kiku di ga dik. There's nothing new here. Pa, dik pa. This is pa, this is not ba. If it is ba in between two dots, we agree to read it as wa. But here it is pa. Sa da kiku di ga dik pa dik pa. Again we have the same verb. Bao sa ga sa sak. Dikpa is sin, opposite of merit, sin. Nepalima pap. Yo punya. Punya ko viparit pap. Ani bao sa ga sa sak. Technically we are saying someone accumulated sin. But in English, you don't say like this. Then you say someone committed sin. Commit. Ani Nepalima पाप कमाउनु भन्दैन, पुण्य कमाउनु भन्छ, तर पाप कमाउनु भन्दैन. नेपालीमा पाप गर्नु. तर टेक्निकली हाम्रो भाषामा शेर्पा, तामाङ, ग्योल्मो, डुक्पा, सिक्किमिज, लद्दाखी, स्पिति, लाहुल, धेरै जातिहरू छ जसको भाषामा चाहिँ पाप गर्नु भन्दैन, पाप कमाउनु भन्छ. There are many ethnic groups in which we have verb accumulate sin, not commit. And then, so not only you are learning how to read, you are also learning meaning of those words. At the same time, when you see sa, we know that these are past tense. So again here, dao nga sabju ngu la ngul. Dao nga sabju ngu la ngul. Ngul is like in German. Ngul is silver as well as money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. So, dao nga sabju ngu la ngul. In German also, they have the same word for silver and money. So dao nga sepchungu la ngul is money. Bao sa here. This is what we are learning. In between two dots there are four letters. We know that the first one and the last one remain silent. So bao sa ga sa sak. Ngul sak. It can mean two things in Tibetan. Earn money or save money. SAV is save. Save, I'm saving money for a holiday, like that. Bao sa ga sa sak. And then the verb sak is used for more than this. Like in English, you use the word take in many different ways. Like we say eat medicine, but in English you say take medicine. You say take this road, we say go by this road. So likewise, this sak is very helpful verb, and it will mean more than what I have introduced so far. Okay, so what I mean to say is it can be used in, this verb can be used in many different ways. And then so you have to learn meaning of those words, the spelling at the same time. And here, okay, again, in between two dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are four letters. We know that the first one and the last one remain silent. So, bao, sa, gata, ga, ga, rata, da, shabju, du, ba, sa, dup. Bao, sa, gata, ga, rata, da, shabju, du, ba, sa, dup. Dup in English is to accomplish or to fulfill. To fulfill or to accomplish. Accomplish. नेपालीमा भन्नु पर्यो भने डुप माने प्राप्त गर्नु. Dup. Now here, as I said, the is invisible. We don't write this anymore. But then when you make sentence, you have to think that it is there, but we don't see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only two for suffixes, da and sa. Bao, sa, gata, ga, yata, gya, sepchu, gyu, ra, da. We know this is silent. Gyur. Bao, sa, gata, ga, yata, gya, sepchu, gyu, ra, da. We know this is silent. Gyur. Gyur is in past tense. Verb to change. And then it is in past tense. So I changed my habit. Changed, ed, changed. Gyur, परिवर्तन ल्याउनु, बदलिनु. त्यस्तोमा चाहिँ भाव सकत गए त के ग्यु र द, तर द चाहिँ हामी आजकल लेख्दिन र पनि ग्रामरमा चाहिँ यो छ नै सम्झिनु पर्छ. Okay, then here in between two dots there are four letters. Chikni sumshi. We know that the first one and the last one remain silent. So mao, ga, yata, gya, naro, gyo, ga, sa, gyok. Mao, ga, yata, gya, naro, gyo, ga, sa, gyok. And if I add pa, naro, po, gyokpo is fast. soon, quick, fast, go fast, he will come soon, like that. So gyokpo नेपालीमा छिटो gyok पानहरु पो थप्नु पर्यो gyokpo माने छिटो छिटो आऊ यिनीहरु छिटो आउँछ gyokpo त्यसरी नै अब यहाँ के देख्नुमा आउँदैछ दुईटा डटको बीचमा चारवटा अक्षर छ अगाडिको र लास्टकोलाई उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन र हाओ जा खिकु जी गा सा जिक हाओ जा खिकु जी गा सा जिक अगाडिको र लास्टकोलाई उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन हाओ जा खिकु जी गा सा जिक अब इफ यू सी a word with ao ja kiku ji ka with post suffix sa then it means fear fear for example fearless fear nepali ma डर जिक डर डर लाग्दैन डर आओ जा किकु जे घासा जिक यो देख्नु बित्तिकै यो डर शब्द सम्बन्धित एउटा सेन्टेन्स रहेछ भनेर बुझ्नु पर्यो अब यदि सा छ र ह छ भने चाहिँ डर सा छैन भने यो डर होइन हाओ छैन भने त्यो पनि डर होइन यो स्पेलिङमा निर्भर हुन्छ हाओ जा खिकु जी गा सा जिक फियर So this doesn't indicate that this is past tense. This is a past spelling of the word fear, F-E-A-R, fear. And then we see four letters. We know these two are silent. Bao, sa, ma, sa, sam. Bao, sa, ma, sa, sam. Past tense of think, thought, he thought, I thought. Past tense of the verb to think. He thought, they thought. Bao, sa, ma, sa, sam. Here, ma indicates that this verb is in past tense. Okay. Then here, dao, ga, naro, go, nga, sa. अगाडिको र लास्टको चाहिँ silent. So dao, ga, naro, go, nga, sa. अगाडिको र पछाडिको छैन सम्झिनु गङ गङ माने to think honorific. Now in Tibetan, if you are going to learn Tibetan language, there is honorific word for any verb. There is non-honorific word for any kind of verb. There is also, this is very special about Tibetan, there is also humilific for most of the verbs. Humilific is a new term coined by a French scientist who studied Tibetan language. Okay, so dao, ga, naro, go, nga, sa, gong is to think, honorific. What do you think? Gong. And sa doesn't indicate that this is past tense. This is part of the spelling of the verb to think. In between two dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, चारवटा छ अब सजिलै लाग्दै होला तपाईहरुलाई you must be finding it very easy. Bao, sha, ga, sa, shak. अगाडिको र लास्टकोलाई उच्चारण गर्नु परेन र sha, bao, sha, ga, sa, shak. Shak is to confess your sin. Shak. to confess. नेपालीमा के भन्नु प्राश्चित गर्नु शक अब यहाँ फेरि दुईटा डटको बीचमा 1 2 3 4 so we know dao ma kiku mi ga sa mik dao ma kiku mi ga sa mik ya sabchu yu la yul mik yul dao ma kiku mi ga sa mik ya sabchu yu la yul mik yul aim 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 objective aim or objective नेपालीमा उद्देश्य aim migul now we are here bao ra ta 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 ga sa tak यहाँ भाव छ र लास्टमा सा छ यो दुईटालाई उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन तर अब यसको अर्थ के हो भन्दाखेरि भाव र त त त गा सा तक एभ्री टाइम यु सी भाव र त त त गा सा तक इज टु एक्जामिन नेपालीमा भन्ने हो भने जाँच्नु टु एक्जामिन if the sa is not there, it's not the verb to examine. If ba is not there, therefore it is very important to learn the spelling. One to chikni sumshi gao sa sabchu su ga sa suk gao sa sabchu su ga sa suk body form human form 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 image in image human only in image human in body human in form 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 नेपालीमा रूप शरीर Bao sa lata la dingpo le ba sa lip. This one is a verb. It is in past tense. Arrived, reached, puknu. Delhi ma 5 baje puke. Puknu. Arrive, to reach. This is in past tense. Bao sa lata la ba sa lap. This too is in past tense. Lap is to taught. He taught me. I taught them. They taught me. Lap past tense. Between two dots 1 2 3 4 gao sa sabchu su nga sa sung. Sung. To hold. To retain in one's mind. To retain. Sung. दुईटा डटको बीचमा 1 2 3 4 यसलाई उच्चारण गर्नु पर्दैन गाओ या ढेङ्पो ये nga sa yeng गाओ या ढेङ्पो ये nga sa yeng to be distracted past tense got distracted yeng in between two dots 1 2 3 4 gao da ma sa dam to instruct उपदेश दिनु उपदेश 1 2 3 4 the first one and the last one remains silent gao sa sepchu su nga sa sung. This is honorific word for the English word say or to tell. भन्नु मान गरेर सुङ. Bao sha sabju shu ga sa shuk. To sit, to live, to stay. नेपालीमा एउटै हो. सुख माने बस्नु. बस्नु माने to live, बस्नु माने to sit, बस्नु माने to stay. Ma dot. Ma gao ta naroto ga sa tok matok. Except for. Except for. Except for. Bao ta ga sa tak. This verb is used in more than one way. So bao ta ga sa tak is technically to tie, and also we use this verb to name someone. Tak. Who named you? Tak. And then the last one, ao pa ga sa pak. Pak is noble. Nepalima Arya. Bharat Arya Bhumi. Arya, noble. India, the noble land. Ao pa ga sa pak. So, if you are new to this class, you have to start from the first lesson. And now we are about to finish with the class on how to read. So I hope you the class was helpful to you, and please like it, share it, so that all the Buddhist community can read the Buddhist texts. सबैजना बुद्धिस्टले पुस्तक पढ्नु सक्नुको लागि तपाईहरु शेयर गर्नुस्, लाइक इट गर्नुस्, ताकि 100% बुद्धिस्टले आफ्नै लिपिमा आफ्नै धर्म अध्ययन गर्न सक्नुको लागि लाइक इट गर्नुस्, शेयर इट गर्नुस्. हवस् त, त्यसरी आजको क्लास यहाँ अन्त गर्दैछु. So we are coming to the end. So hope you enjoyed learning Tibetan. Thank you very much for coming to the class. See you later. Have a good day.